Washington, D.C. window contractors are your go-to experts for all your window installation and replacement needs. Whether you're looking for energy-efficient windows or custom commercial window replacement, Washington, D.C., our team provides top-notch services tailored to your specific requirements. Our window contractors in Washington, D.C. are highly skilled and experienced, ensuring that your window solutions are both functional and aesthetically pleasing. For those seeking energy-efficient windows in Washington, D.C., our selection is unmatched. We offer a variety of insulated glass units designed to reduce energy costs and improve the comfort of your home or business. Our energy-efficient windows in Washington, D.C. are perfect for those looking to make a positive environmental impact while enjoying the benefits of lower utility bills. Commercial window replacement. Washington, D.C. is a specialized service that requires expertise and precision. Our team excels in providing storefront windows and curtain wall systems that enhance the appearance and functionality of your commercial space. With our Washington, D.C. commercial glazing services, you can trust that your business will stand out with high-quality, durable window solutions. Window maintenance in Washington, D.C. is crucial for ensuring the longevity and performance of your windows. Our comprehensive window maintenance services include window sealing, window caulking, and window hardware checks to keep your windows in top condition. Regular window maintenance in Washington, D.C. can prevent costly replacements and extend the life of your windows. Custom windows in Washington, D.C. are a great way to add a unique touch to your property. Our window design experts work closely with you to create custom windows that reflect your style and meet your specific needs. From architectural windows to window upgrades, our Washington, D.C. window design services offer endless possibilities for customization. Window restoration in Washington, D.C. is an excellent option for preserving the historical integrity of older buildings. Our window restoration services include window assessment and window consultation to determine the best approach for restoring your windows to their original beauty. Trust our Washington, D.C. window restoration experts to bring new life to your historic windows. Window tinting and window film installation in Washington, D.C. provide added privacy and protection from harmful UV rays. Our window tinting services are perfect for both residential and commercial properties, offering a sleek look while enhancing energy efficiency. With Washington, D.C. window film installation, you can enjoy the benefits of reduced glare and increased comfort. Washington, D.C. glass replacement services are essential for addressing any issues with your windows promptly. Our glass replacement and window replacement services ensure that your windows are safe and functional. Whether you need insulated glass Washington, D.C. or quick glass replacement, our team is ready to assist with all your glass needs. Window retrofitting in Washington, D.C. is an effective way to improve the performance of your existing windows. Our window retrofitting services include upgrading to energy-efficient windows and enhancing window sealing to prevent drafts. With Washington, D.C. window retrofitting, you can enjoy improved comfort and reduced energy costs. Washington, D.C. window solutions are designed to meet the diverse needs of our clients. From window safety enhancements to window hardware upgrades, our comprehensive window solutions ensure that your windows are secure and efficient. Trust our commercial window replacement Washington Solutions experts to provide the best options.